Hi there. I thought your poems were really great this week. I thought they were just great. I thought they were filled with lots of really good detail, lots of emotion. So I just wanted to point out, yeah, like overall, I've just been watching your work improve over the last few weeks, and it's been a real joy. So thank you for your work. For the first prompt one, the mundane and the extraordinary, I think you chose such an important topic to write about. And I'm so glad that you did. And I was glad that I read your discussion post about this work. My first suggestion before I get to your questions is to include a line break between your stanzas. I think what's happening right now with the poem all stacked up in lines is that it is sometimes hard to distinguish between the two stories that you're sharing. And so it starts to get confusing in terms of speaking about a woman or speaking about a dog, right? And I think it would be really helpful if we could do that. So I think if you just include, a return between your stanzas so that you're separating those two stories just a little bit, it would be helpful. I do think that your title goes with the poem, and I think there's plenty of emotion. I don't think it's too narrative. I think you include particular details that have us right along with you as a reader with the emotions you're trying to portray. For the Salmon's Adventure, I actually thought this poem was pretty funny. I think you added plenty of imagery. And do I need it to be longer? I don't think so. Feel like I'm always telling folks that they should attempt to write longer poems, but I think that you tell the full story here, so I don't think that you're lacking any detail or lacking length. So thank you so much for your work this week, and I look forward to seeing where you go with these.